The Roofing Sales Cheat Sheet. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and I find the most popular roofing videos and just break it down for you in a quick way in order to save you time. I do that also with roofing news, so make sure to subscribe. It's a great way for you to know everything new that's going on in the industry, and I do it in less than 5 minutes. So what I did was I took the three most popular roofing sales videos and just summarized it in a quick way. It's just good inspiration and tips and tricks for you when you're going out to make your next roofing sale. So the first one comes from Eric Reno. It was on Keith Kalfas's channel, and it's an amazing rags to riches story. He used to where he grew up in a kind of a tough household, I guess, from the video, and he was a rapper, and now he makes $3.2 million a year. And here are the tips. First, get used to being nervous. So even though he's real successful now, he still has to step outside of the box and just get used to that no matter where you are in your roofing business. Don't live above your means. So if you get it, you're making six figures, don't go out and buy the biggest truck and tools, and be smart with your money. Have enough money for your running costs, he talks about in the video. Pay your taxes. He's at a point where he pays his taxes monthly. Spend money on advertising. Don't be afraid to spend a lot. In the video, he talks about spending $16,000 on postcards, and he doesn't regret it because it gets his brand out there and it gets some jobs. It pays for it. If you're making $20,000 and you're spending $16,000, that's still, good money. Like he spends $2,800 for Angie's List, but he gets a lot of jobs from it, so it's worth it. He does also SEO. And if you don't have money, he says, just go knock on doors. Do what you have to. You're going to start small, but the business will come. The next one comes from Adam, the roof strategist, and this is great, the tips that he gives for when there's a hailstorm, and so many roofing companies have had sales guys and the homeowners are tired of it. He has what's called the under the radar sales letter. So what he will do and suggest is that you go to a neighborhood where a lot of the homes have been done, but several homes have not. You write down the addresses of those homes that haven't been done. Then you go back to your office and you write a personal letter and make sure that the homeowner knows it's a personal letter. Tell them that you were doing a roofing job in the neighborhood for a client. You were just driving around, and explain to them how you can help them. Especially talk about the claim process. The signature on that personal letter should be in blue. And just as a cool little tip with that, when you mail the letter, make sure the stamp is crooked, and that way they know it's personal. All right, the third great video is this Grant Cardone, and he has a channel that has well over 900,000 subscribers. And he's a big sales guy with some great tips, just simple ones. If you're a roofer, he says, call up 5 people you know in a city. Just call them and give them a free estimate. You never know, they might take it, but even if they don't, they may have referrals. He talks about how your 5 friends probably don't even know what you do. So by just letting them know you're a roofer, you might get businesses that way. It's just a great little tip. Plus, commit to becoming a big roofer. Just commit. Do whatever you can to go big. So those are 3 great roofing sales videos. And what I do below all these, below this video, is I'll put the links so that if you want to watch them and learn more, you can. But I thought just a quick cheat sheet to summarize what's going on is a great way for you to quickly get some roofing inspiration. And I am an authorized dealer for the Roofing webmasters. So if you do want Google to fall in love with your business, give me a call at 303-957-0651. We have done over 100 roofing sites, so we know how to get you ranked on Google. We can help you with pay-per-click like in a hailstorm. If your reputation needs some work, videos, social media, mapping. We are a full digital marketing agency, and what's so unique about us is that we all work in the same office. The programmers, the writers, and the designers, which is unheard of in the industry. Most people, they're outsourcing it to India or Romania or Russia. We don't do any of that. We believe in great quality, and you can only do that when you're all working together. So give me a call if you need any help with your digital marketing. So I want to thank you so much for your time, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will do the news daily. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.